Hey Georgia, where are we at today? ALDI. Where?
ALDI.
ALDI. Okay, so we just got home from ALDI and we got a whole bunch of awesome vegan food. I know I have made this video before.
All vegan food.
Yes, this one has only vegan food. The last time I made a ALDI haul video was about 1.5 years ago. It was right before I went vegan, so it had some meat and anyway. I'm going to try to not talk as much in this one too, because that was a common complaint I got on the last one. So we're going to unpack these groceries and show you what I got. Everything unloaded. We got lots of stuff. Okay, Georgia, let's show them what we got. Ready?
Okay, so we got peaches.
Peaches.
Right here.
Big bag. Awesome. We got some frozen fruit for our smoothies. We've got raspberries. And also blueberries, frozen.
Yeah, we like those.
Did we get some more? Oh, here's another frozen raspberry.
Mm-hmm.
Also in the frozen section, I love ALDI is constantly getting more and more vegan products, and you can always tell they're vegan because it has the little vegan thing. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus.
Here's some strawberries.
So we got quinoa crunch burgers, some meat-free chicken tenders.
Mommy.
We try not to eat so much fake meat, but I like to try what they have. And on nights when I have to teach and I'm out late, stuff like this is perfect. Vegan, meatless Italian meatballs. And also, for the first time I saw today, vegan cheese at ALDI. They usually don't have vegan cheese, so I was super excited to find this.
And we have dried strawberries.
Freeze-dried strawberries. Those will be great on top of some granola or smoothies. Green pea crisp. My kids like those in their lunches. Sea salt pita chips, pretty much the closest thing to crack. I'm totally addicted to those. Coconut water with aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is good.
Mommy, I'm going to show the camera something. Veggie burgers.
Yeah, we got these veggie burgers. I really like these. They have, you can really see the vegetables in them. And yes, coconut water with aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice. It's good for your digestive system. This is maple brown sugar instant oatmeal. Okay, what do you got, Georgia? Potatoes. We'll just keep going through. Cherry tomatoes. I love ALDI's hummus selection. This hummus is layered. You can see it's got chunky red peppers, jalapenos on the bottom. Portobello mushrooms. Portobello mushrooms, not poblanos. Peppers, I got lucky. Usually they're like red, orange, and yellow, but I got 2 reds, and that's my favorite, so that's why I chose that one. This is apple cider vinegar with honey. I have no idea how this is gonna taste, but I'm out of apple cider vinegar, and so I'm gonna try this one. Spinach, also for my smoothies. Asparagus.
Mommy, can I say something to Grandma?
Kiwis. We love kiwis. What do you got, Georgia?
Bread.
What kind of bread? Ooh.
Pumpkin.
See you later, pumpkin. It's like 100 degrees here, but you know, fall's coming soon. We got these kale chips. I know this looks like a lot of junk food, and it is, but that's one of my favorite things about Aldi. Avocados. These reusable produce bags, highly recommend. You can get them on Amazon. Tomatillos to make salsa. What else we got here? We got bananas. Cara oranges. I just think they're beautiful inside, so I got a package of those.
So pink inside.
They're pink, right?
Yeah.
Like your dress. What else do we got? Cauliflower. Lemons. These are jalapenos. I know it's hard to see in my bags. Red onions. Granola. What do we got here? A couple of cans of refried beans. I always buy the ones, if they don't have them, that say vegetarian, fat-free. Also, another good thing to look for, because then you know they don't have lard in them. And can't see the ingredients, but there's no lard. Hatch chili salsa. Olives, my favorite. What else? Ooh. Organic black beans.
Mommy,
the beans.
All the colors over here.
We got some.
Mommy, look, it made more space.
Yeah. Okay. Cashew butter. Never tried it, but I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, let's see what else we got. Ooh, some little, I mean, they're not.
Go-go squeezes.
We call them go-go squeezes because that's the name brand, but they're just little applesauce pouches that you can squeeze. Good snack on the go. Yes? How do you squeeze it? Oh, And did we get everything over here, Georgia? Do we say brown rice? Colorful potato medley? I think we get all this, right? Anyway, so
Twice.
how? Oh, and I got these. These are kind of like the Aldi brand LaCroix.
Hey, we'll put the go-go.
Flavored soda water. So that's all we got. We wanted to show you how we shop at Aldi now that we're vegan. Also, I love that Aldi is super low price. Anybody can afford it. Anyone who thinks that being vegan or eating healthy is expensive, I highly recommend you going to Aldi right away. Go there, right? And this is not an ad, not sponsored. We just love it. Bye.